This video is going to be about AI and Pinterest and blogging. So I am seeing that people are saying on Pinterest that Pinterest is adding the tag of AI to pins. So it's going to be really interesting to see how that affects people, whether they click through on AI or not, especially when it comes to, say, recipe blogs. In a previous video, I spoke about how Journey by Mediavine, some people suspect that they removed a lot of AI recipe blogs from their platform. So it's going to be interesting to see if those people still keep creating content for Pinterest, if they're not earning as much, because personally, from my experience, I certainly did not earn much through Google AdSense or Ezoic compared to Journey. I'm also testing this out for myself. So I personally wanted to try to learn how to cook better and eat healthier. So I thought, hey, why not start a food recipe blog? I was doing a few recipes on by Claire Brodie, but I just feel like it's mixing too many niches on one blog post. And I was also thinking of trying to do some videos. And from what I'm seeing, I don't think it's really best to try and mix niches like building an online business, which I feel more my YouTube channel is about, and then trying to do cooking videos. It's probably going to mess up the YouTube channel. So yeah, I was going to try and keep them separate. So I do have a second niche site, and that's doing really, really well. I just feel I can see the traffic just seems, it's all right, but it just doesn't seem quite very reliable, and it seems like I have to create a lot of pins and a lot of content to sort of keep that account going. When I say a lot, I mean it's almost like hungry for 40-50 pins, and I've reduced it amount because I just felt like I started to get really, really burnt out. So this is another reason of why I've started the third niche site in food, because I know food is very popular on Pinterest. I am working on making my photos look better. I have been able to find some other bloggers on Pinterest where their images seem really sort of simple, a bit more like home cooked food. Like I do follow some people where honestly their photos are so good, I can barely tell the difference between their photos and AI. So when I found the easiest way is actually to click through to a blog, and then you can go through and you can see like if they've got multiple angles, or maybe sometimes they have a shot of the ingredients, and that can sort of go make it a bit more obvious that it's not AI recipe. If you are interested in trying to make sure that you are reading a real life recipe, if that does matter to you or not, if it doesn't, that's fine. I can see a lot of people do like AI recipes, and they'll leave loads of comments on pins, like hundreds of comments saying, I tried this last night and it was great. That's absolutely fine. Personally, for me, I really wanted to create something that was completely like original with my photos. So that's where I am going. And at the moment, it's really, really slow going. I am still trying to use AI to sort of help me create and write the content, because why not? It's amazing. It's just speeds things up completely. But I am 100% doing my own photos, 100% testing the recipes, testing the ingredients, that I've got the right sort of amounts and everything, and sort of being able to add some cooking tips in there, right? So I will come back and let you know how that goes. I think it's probably going to be a few months yet of being able to get there. It's definitely not going to be able to be added to Journey by Mediavine yet. I feel like you kind of need to get to at least 20-50 posts, or at least 1,000 visits a month before applying to Journey, and it's not there quite yet. So I will keep going with that, and I will come back here and let you know how it goes. If you are interested in starting your own blog, please go to byclairebrodie.com. I've got articles on there that are completely free to go read, how to start a WordPress blog, my experience with ad networks and affiliate marketing and digital products as well, to help you completely get started for free.